We were about to leave for the store and look what came in. My boxes from VR Wheels.
Oh, these are the wheels? My wheels came in? Oh, how did you know that they were coming?
They emailed me.
Oh, they're here already.
Yeah, that's fast.
Yes. So everything but two lips, girl?
Everything but the front inner barrels should be in those boxes. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So some boxes just got delivered over here. We got them from VR Wheels. We've been waiting so long for them to come in, but they finally arrived. This is at least most of my shipment. I have one more box that should be coming hopefully soon, but we're gonna unbox these, check them out, make sure that everything is good. So let's go ahead and open them up. These just got delivered this morning, so we're gonna open them and double check that everything is correct. These are packaged really good.
Yeah, I'm surprised that the boxes are good too.
Yeah.
Because sometimes the boxes come mangled.
Yeah. And they came from SoCal, so good thing it's not that far. Jeez. Help me. I'm hoping that, I'm thinking that these are the lips. Oh, no, they're the inner brows.
The lips on the bottom. Whoa, shiny boys.
Okay, so these are, I think these are the 5-inch lips. Or the 5-inch inner barrels. They're gonna go on the rears. Oops.
You can do it.
It's hard because the box is tall.
So what's in the bottom box?
The other pair of lips, probably.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Can you pull it? Oh, okay, so these are the front lips. These are the front lips because they're 6.5.
So this one is the rear?
The rear lips.
And it should have the bolts in them, yeah? Hopefully.
Oh yeah, the bolts too. I'm surprised that the box is this small. But
I know, because my lips boxes are huge.
yeah. Yay.
Hardware in there? No? Yeah.
Oh yeah, they're in here. Ooh, they're so shiny.
Yeah. You should go get a face.
Okay. So when we first got these Minerva faces, I tried to put them on the lips and barrels from the Vienna dishes, and just so happened they were able to fit. The only thing was that the valve stem hole didn't line up exactly. It was a little off. But other than that, I was able to run it for so long. It's been about a year or so. So I'm excited that we finally have actual lips and barrels for these faces, so I can use the nice valve stem that comes out the front. So we're gonna try put one of the rears together since we have both pieces. So when I used to have the Minervas on top of the car, I used to run it with a 5-inch inner barrel and a 6-inch lip. But I was running a 1-inch spacer with it, so hopefully this will fit exactly kind of how it used to fit before. is what I was kind of going for, so that way I don't have to run a spacer anymore and get that extra lip. I think it looks really good.
Yeah, that's freaking wide.
I think I might want to repaint the faces since we're gonna make it all new.
Looks good, huh?
It looks so good. Now we got options for the 240. We got these.
Yeah, we got all those.
Yeah.
Or, I mean, not the 19s.
I wish I could fit the 19s, or I mean, it would probably fit, but it'll just look ridiculous. But I'm excited that I have these, and also the 326 wheels. These are my favorite wheels, so I'm super excited that I have both of them. Hopefully we can do something with the fenders to where I can interchange them without having to do more than just probably throw a spacer on with this one, because I know that this one would have a little bit higher offset than the 326 ones. Alright guys, so the Minervas are going to be rebuilt. I'm super excited about them. I'm excited to try them on top of the car, so I just have maybe a couple more weeks to wait for the inner barrels of the fronts to come in and we can start slapping everything together and test fitting it on top of the car. I think it's gonna look so amazing. I wanted it to stay either 12 inches or less in the rear, because once you start going to 265, 275, the tires start getting really expensive. So hopefully I can stay in the 245, 40, about there kind of range, and it should look really, really good on top of the car. So yeah, I'm so stoked. Let me know if you guys think we should do the Minervas or the 326 wheels first and run them on top of the car. I'm still debating what I want to do yet. I think I'm gonna build the car around the 326 wheels because they're just a little bit wider, and then just figure out if I can use just a small spacer on the Minervas to get that kind of same fitment. Thank you guys so much for watching, for hanging out with us. We appreciate the love and support. Go cop some carshopbloom.com merch if you guys want to, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay good.